let's go ahead and purchase one domain. Okay, so if you already have domain, that's good, but if you don't have domain, you can just go to godaddy.com or somewhere. You can also use Namecheap. Okay, so see, it's up to you where you want to buy the domain. Okay, so I already have the GoDaddy account, so I'm going to choose Django Click Mart. Okay, let's see what kind of domains we will get. Okay, djangoclickmart.com is available, and which is 599 rupees. This is just a tutorial, right? I just don't want to spend money on that. Mm-mm-mm. So I can do with this. I can just go with this one. Okay, so I already added this domain to the cart. Django I'll just go with it. I think it's just 89 rupees. You see, if you are practicing, just use lowest price domain. Okay, and the extension doesn't matter to me, so that's why I just bought. I'm just buying this store, which is 89 rupees for first year. And if I allow it to renew, then it will charge me like 7,500. But somehow I'm going to cancel the renewal later. Okay, anyway, so Django Clickmart.store, and okay, there are some tags and all are there. So you can also buy free domains, but I don't know, Freenom was working before. There was one website, Freenom. It was working before, like since 1-2 years it's not working. I think they are not providing the new domains for free. The website is there, but it won't allow you to register for free domain. Anyway, I'll close it, and I'll this small amount I can pay it. Okay, I'll complete the process. Okay, so it's done, I guess. Okay, I'll go to my account. All right, I got the domain. So what is the next step? Okay, let me, it's asking me to log in. All right, so Django Clickmart.store is my domain now. So I want to connect that domain.